Namaskaram. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to 5th annual recital of Mudra School of Dance. Bharatanatyam is one of the most celebrated classical dance forms of South India, deeply rooted in its culture, spirituality, and traditions. Known for its grace, precision, and the perfect harmony of music, rhythm, and expression. It traces its origin to the ancient temple dances once performed by Devadasis as an offering of devotion to the deities. The name Bharatanatyam itself comes from three beautiful elements. Ba for Bhavam, the emotions shown through expressions and gestures. Ra for Ragam, melody woven through the soulful strains of Carnatic music. Ta for Talam, rhythm brought alive through the dancer's intricate footwork and movement. Founded in 2018 by Srimati Harsha Hari in Franklin, Tennessee, Mudra School of Dance is dedicated to preserving and celebrating the beauty of Bharatanatyam. Srimati Harsha Hari, an accomplished artist with a master's degree in Bharatanatyam, has over 20 years of experience performing Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, and Kuchipudi on national and international stages. Want to know who all can learn this dance form? At Mudra, students of all ages are encouraged to discover the joy of this art form. The school nurtures young talent and inspires its students to perform with confidence, fostering creativity, discipline, and a deep appreciation for culture and our tradition. As we celebrate 7 wonderful years of our journey and our 5th annual recital, we thank you all for being part of this celebration and we look forward to many years of learning, growth, and dance. Now, today, we begin our program by lighting a lamp to invoke the blessings of deities who preside over the realms of dance, knowledge, and removal of obstacles. Let us all offer our prayers and gratitude to Lord Nataraja, the celestial embodiment of dance, whose divine rhythm resonates through our souls. Goddess Saraswati, the patroness of knowledge, art, and wisdom, whose blessings empower us to learn and create. And Lord Ganesha, the beloved remover of all obstacles, who paved the way for our endeavors to flourish without hindrance. I extend a warm welcome to our beloved teacher Srimati Harsha Hari, accompanied by her family, along with all the dancers. As we light this lamp, may it inspire us and mark the beginning of the performance filled with grace and emotion. Let it also honor the hard work and dedication of the students and may God bless them with success in their performance.
महागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रिय मूषिकवागनमोदकप्रिय महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रिय मूषिकवागनमोदकप्रिय महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम्.
The proud members of Mudra School of Dance are thrilled to present the culmination of their hard work and dedication. These performances are not just dances, they are heartfelt expression of our devotion to the gods and deep-rooted gratitude for making this day possible. For all the dancers, today marks a significant milestone, a step towards a life enriched by an appreciation of the arts. Let's start with our first performance, Pushpanjali. We begin today's performance with the Pushpanjali. The term Pushpanjali derives its essence from two beautiful words, Pushpam signifying flowers and Anjali representing folded hands in reverence and devotion. In this piece, music is the prayer, dance is the worship. Pushpanjali holds a special place as the opening piece of the recital, as it serves as a salutation to the divine and invocation of blessings from the Gurus and a warm welcome to the esteemed audience. In Pushpanjali, you will witness the essence of Nritya, the rhythmic and abstract aspect of dance. It is joyful offering of flowers presented to the Supreme with utmost devotion and surrender. This piece not only pays homage to the god, but also sets the mood for the entire recital. Set to Ragam, Gambhira Nattai and Talam Adi, this piece is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and performed on stage by Anisha Komatireddy, Ayati Katukuri, Shreya Rao, Shrija Shah, Sri Lakshita Nimmagadda and Tikshika Veburi.
जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग जनकिट ताम तद्धिताम तद्धिताम तग जनकिट तग ताम जनकिट जनकिट ताम जनकिट जनकिट तग ताम 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 तद्धिताम तधीं धीं धीं गणस्तां ततों तों तों गणुस्तां तनं नं नं निमित्तां ततां तां तां तद्धितां तधीं धीं धीं गणस्तां ततों तों तों गणुस्तां तनं नं नं निमित्तां ततां तां तां तद्धितां तधीं धीं धीं गणस्तां ततों तों तों गणुस्तां तनं नं नं निमित्तां ततां तां तां तद्धितां तधीं धीं धीं తదింకినతం తదింకినత తదిత్తం తదనుత్తం తజనుత్తం తదిముత్తం తరిహత్తన దజ్జను తద్దిమిత తదింకినతం తదింకినతం తదింకినత తజం 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 తజంత తనత్తన తనత్తనత్త చను 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 చనుత్త ధిమి 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 ధిమిత్త తజం 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 తజంత తనత్తన తనత్తనత్త చను 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 చనుత్త ధిమి 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 ధిమిత్త జంకరి గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగతాం చిత్తనంగు తగ జంకరి గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగతాం చిత్తనంగు తగ జంకరి గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగ జగ తరి గిట తగతాం జగ తరి గిట తగతాం గిట తగతాం చిత్తనంగు తగతాం.
It's wonderful to see the little dancers performing Pushpanjali gracefully and reflecting elegance and expressive beauty. Thank you all. We now present Mallari, a traditional Bharatanatyam piece that is full of vigor and rhythm. In the temples of South India, Mallari is played during festive occasions and processions or to announce the arrival of the deity, setting a joyful and auspicious tone. In Bharatanatyam, this composition is characterized by energetic movements and intricate footwork that highlight the dancer's agility, timing, and strength. Through this performance, the dancers express joy, reverence, and the celebratory spirit of the occasion, inviting the audience to feel the excitement and grandeur of the traditional form. Set to Ragam Gambira Nattai and Talam Rupakam, this Mallari is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and performed on stage by Diya Satish, Jishmita Vikram, Mahi Kembavi, Nandini Bulchandani, Sahana Santosh, Sai Soumya Shivaraman, and Tendral Setupati.
Nút khi ta ta tam ta nút khi ta ta tam ta thi nút khi ta ta tam ta thi gi na tum ta thi gi na tum ta thi gi na tum nút ki ta ta tam tam nút ki ta ta tam tam nút ki ta ta tam ta di na tum ta di na tum ta di na tum nút ki ta ta tam ta nút ki ta ta tam ta di nút ki ta ta tam ta di na tum ta di na tum ta di na tum nút ki ta ta tam ta nút ki ta ta tam ta di nút ki ta ta tam ta di na tum ta di na tum ta di na tum nút ki ta ta tam ta nút ki ta ta tam ta di झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम ताधिंगिन तुम झणुत किट तताम तां झणुत किट तताम ताधि झणुत किट तताम ताधिंगिन तुम 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 झणुत किट तताम
Lovely dancers who performed the lively Malari, full of energy, rhythm, and beautiful movements. Next is the beautiful Kirtanam, Adinaye Kanna, celebrating the joyous dance of Lord Krishna in Vrindavanam. The piece brings to life Krishna dancing under the gentle moonlight by the river bank, filling the surroundings with divine bliss and energy. As he moves gracefully, the Gopikas are drawn to his charm and radiance. His peacock-feathered crown shimmers with jewels, his earrings glitter as he smiles, and fragrant flower garlands sway across his chest. His dark-hued skin attire moves rhythmically with each step, and the sweet melody of his flute enchants all around. Every movement of Krishna's dance, accompanied by the rhythmic sound of his anklets, reflect devotion, joy, and divine grace, a vision of the eternal dancer who presents spread love and bliss in Vrindavanam. Presenting Adinaye Kanna Kirtanam in Ragam Mohana Kalyani and Aditalam, choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari, performed on stage by Ramya Suryadevara.
ஆடினையே கண்டா
கோபிய துணை தேடி நாடி வந்த நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் ஈடில கோபிய துணை தேடி நாடி வந்த நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் நாடினையே கோபியர் புனை தேடி ஏடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி ஈடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி நாடி வந்த நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் நாடி வந்தார் நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் நாடினையே கோபியர் புனை தேடி நாடி வந்தார் நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் நாடி வந்தார் நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் ஆடினையே ஏடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி ஏடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி ஏடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி ஏடில கோபியர் புனை தேடி நாடி வந்த நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் நாடி வந்தார் நதிக்கரை நில ஒளியில் ஆடினையே கண்ணா பிருந்தாவனம் தனிதான ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் ஆடினையே கண்ணா பிருந்தாவனம் தனிதான ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் ஆடினையே கண்ணா மயில் பீலி சற்றே கொண்டை தனில் அசைய 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 நவரத்ன கூட்டம் சிறந்தனில் ஒளிர நவரத்ன கூட்டம் சிறந்தனில் ஒளிர மகர குண்டலங்கள் இரு செவி இளங்க மகர குண்டலங்கள் இரு செவி இளங்க மதிமுகம் தனிலே முறுவல் விளையாட மதிமுகம் தனிலே முறுவல் விளையாட மனம் கமழ் மாலைகள் மார்பில் அசைந்தாட மன்னங்கமழ் மாலைகள் அசைத்தாட மயங்கும் அம்பி வந்த ஆடை இடையாட மயங்கும் அம்பி வந்த ஆடை இடையாட மதுர மோகன குழலிசை கூட்ட மதுர மோகன குழலிசை கூட்ட மங்கையர் கண்கள் மையல் காட்ட மதுர மோகன குழலிசை கூட்ட மங்கையர் கண்கள் மையல் காட்ட மலர்கள் சதங்கை சதிலயம் கூட்ட மனமறிந்து அருள் சொரிந்து இணைந்து நன்றாய் ஆடினையே கண்ணா மதுர மோகன குழலிசை கூட்ட மங்கையர் கண்கள் மையல் காட்ட மலர்கள் சதங்கை சதிலயம் கூட்ட மனமறிந்து அருள் சொரிந்து இணைந்து நன்றாய் ஆடினையே கண்ணா பிருந்தாவனம் தனிதானந்த ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் அஜம் ஜம் தகிட தகிடதாம் 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 தகிட ஆனந்த ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் ஜம் தரிகிடதாம் ஜம் தரிகிடதகதை தகததிங்கிட சொந்ததிங்கிட சொந்திங்கிட சொமானந்த ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் ஆடினையே கண்ணா பிருந்தாவனம் தமிழானந்த ரசமய அற்புத நடனம் ஆடினையே கண்ணா கண்ணா கண்ணா
Thanks, Ramyaka, for presenting a beautiful performance capturing the playful charm and the divine presence of Lord Krishna. So now let us all remember Lord Ganesha. We present a Ganesha Kriti Gajanana Yutam, a devotional composition dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the embodiment of wisdom and auspiciousness. This piece praises Lord Ganesha as the beloved son of Lord Shiva, the divine elephant-headed deity who brings joy and prosperity to all the devotees. The composition celebrates his unique attributes, his gentle and powerful presence, his graceful form, and his auspicious nature. It describes him as being revered by gods, worshipped by the wise, and adored by his devotees. Every aspect of his being, from his lotus-like hands to his majestic elephant features, symbolizes purity, knowledge, and divine protection. Through expressive movements and devotional energy, the dancers bring alive the spirit of Lord Ganesha, inspiring the audience to feel the devotion, reverence, and the joy that comes from connecting within the divine. Set to Ragam, Chakravaka, and Talam Adi, this piece is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and performed on stage by Reva Shanbag, Sarvika Vikram, and Sindhuja Janardhanan and Tavasya Lingareddy.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं भजामि सततं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं
ತಕ್ಕ ತಿಮ್ಮೆ ತರಗಿಡದಗ ತಕ್ಕ ತಿಮ್ಮೆ ತರಗಿಡದಗ ತಿನ್ನಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಿನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಿನ್ನ
अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरो अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरो गणादिसन्मुत पद पद्मकरं गणादिसन्मुत पद पद्मकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरम् कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहाग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं भजामि सततं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहाग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं
Thank you all the dancers for your graceful performance reflecting devotion, rhythm and benevolent charm of Lord Ganesha. Next we are having Murugan Shabdam. Murugan Shabdam is a devotional piece celebrating Lord Murugan as a playful and divine child. The composition portrays child Murugan taking small playful steps with his hands stretched out, moving forward with curiosity and joy. His innocent smile and charming presence spread happiness and delight to all who see him, capturing his playful and lovable nature. Little Murugan toddles forward with tiny, delicate steps, his hands lifted as he moves. His sweet smile spreads delight and happiness to everyone around him, capturing his charming, innocent personality, soft, tender limbs, and a dark, majestic form. His forehead is adorned with a tilak, and his body carries the fragrant scent of sandal. Behold Murugan seated on his peacock, holding his divine spear, presenting a joyful and a captivating sight. Witnessing him fills the heart with delight and wonder, inspiring admiration and love for the playful divine child. Presenting Murugan Shabdam in Ragamalika and Talam Mishra Chapu, choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari, performed on stage by Katyayani Parvella and Srivani Anasangaraju.
முருகா சடங்கைக்கு தூங்க தவழ்ந்து வரும் முருகா தமிழ் தாலாட்டு பாடி குழந்தையாயின் ஆவி வரும் முருகா தமிழ் தாலாட்டு பாடி குழந்தையாயின் ஆவி வரும் முருகா முருகா வரும் முருகா நடை நடைந்த சிந்தை மகிழ் பூமரா சிறுகை முன் வீசி ஒரு நடை நடைந்த சிந்தை மகிழ் பூமரா ஒரு தேனூரும் சொல்லாமே வாய் மலர்ந்த நீ சிரித்து வரும் முருகா ஒரு தேனூரும் சொல்லாலே வாய் மலர்ந்த நீ சிரித்து வரும் முருகா சிரித்து வரும் முருகா சிரித்து வரும் முருகா தடுங்குஜம் தரிகிடகம் தகதஜம் தரிஜம் தடம் தரி தகதேமி தகஜம் தரி தகதஜம் தரிஜம் தடம் தரி தகதேமி தகஜம் தரி நாந்தளில் மேனி நிறத்தழகும் அருமை கொண்ட ஒருவரும் செஞ்சாந்திட்ட திலக சந்தனம் மணம் தவி சங்கரன் மகனே வாந்தளிர் மேனி நிறத்தழகும் அருமை கொண்ட ஒருவரும் செஞ்சாந்திட்ட திலக சந்தனம் மணம் கவி சங்கரன் மகனே சங்கரன் மகனே வா சங்கரன் மகனே வா தளங்குதோ தரிகிடதோ தகதோ தரி தோதனோ தரி தகததேம் தகஜம் தரே தகதஜம் தரி ஜோதனம் தரி தகததேம் தகஜம் தரே நீலமயில் வேன் வேலுடன் அமர்ந்து நீ வரும் காட்சி எந்தன் மோரோ எந்தஞ்சம் மகிழவே தஞ்சம் அளிக்க நேசிக்கும் காட்சி என்றோ நீலமயில் வேன் வேலுடன் அமர்ந்து நீ வரும் வரும் காட்சி எந்தன் முருக என் நெஞ்சமகிழவே தஞ்சமோகளித நேசிக்கும் காட்சி என்றோ நேசிக்கும் காட்சி என்றோ நேசிக்கும் காட்சி என்றோ
భుజం కృతకృతం ధిన్నం తక్కుందైతే కిట తక్క తక్క ధిన్నం తక్కుందైతే కిట తక్క ధిన్నం తక్కుందైతే కిట తక్క ధళం భుజం కృతకృతం
తాతై తాత
Thank you, Katyayani and Srivani, for presenting a lively and joyful performance, capturing the playful energy and charm of child Murugan. Next, we have Slokavali in praise of Lord Ganesha, Goddess Saraswati, and Goddess Mahalakshmi, and finally Lord Shiva. Mushika Vahana, praising Lord Ganesha, the son of Maheshwara, who rides the mouse, holds the Modaka. We bow to Vigna Vinayaka, saluting his lotus feet as the remover of obstacles. Saraswati Namastubhyam is a prayer to Goddess Saraswati, the giver of boons and embodiment of wisdom and knowledge. We seek her blessing for success in all learnings and endeavors. Namastestu Mahamaye is a salutation to Goddess Mahalakshmi, who resides on the divine throne and is worshipped by the gods. It praises her as the embodiment of power and prosperity. And finally, Angikam Bhuvanam salutes Lord Shiva, whose body is the entire universe, whose speech is all language, whose ornaments are the moon and the stars. It pays homage to the pure and serene Lord, the embodiment of truth and goodness. This Shlokavali is set to Ragamalika, is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and is performed on stage by Arna Undavalli, Diya Vajpayee, Kritika Tatavati, and Mitra Murugan.
मूषिकवाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र वीर विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र वीर विनायक पाद नमस्ते वीर विनायक पाद नमस्ते सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी Shivam, 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 Shivam.
To the dancers who did an elegant performance reflecting devotion and the beauty of sacred verses. Next we have Ranjani Mrudu Pankaja Lochani is a kirtanam and is beautiful composition that praises the divine goddess adorned with gentle lotus eyes and a radiant compassionate presence. It describes her serene smile, graceful form and benevolent nature, portraying her as the embodiment of beauty, love and divine energy. The piece evokes a sense of peace and devotion, celebrating the goddess who blesses her devotees with wisdom and harmony. This composition is set to Ragamalika and Aditalam, choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari. Ranjani is performed on stage by Aarti Srinivasan, Archana Jillala, Sai Sahiti Chattam and Soundarya Jagadish.
రంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని 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 సరిగ సనిద సరిగ మద సనిద నీన మగ మగ సరిగ సనిద సరిగ మద సనిద నీన మగ మగ మంజు భాషిణి మంజు భాషిణి మనోలాసిని మంజు భాషిణి మనోలాసిని మందగమనే మందగమనే శ్రీరంజని 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 సనిద బగరి గమా నిద బగరి సరి గరి సని సనిద బగరి గమ మరిద బగరి సరి గగ గమగారి సని ధని సరి గ సని ద సరి గమ ద సని దని నిద మగ మగ స మగాన వినోదిను సమగాన వినోదిని అంబ సమగాన వినోదిని శశాంకవదని మారజనని మేఘరంజని మేఘరంజని సమగాన వినోదిని శశాంకవదని మారజనని మేఘరంజని మేఘరంజని నీస నిని సద నిని మమ నిని మాని మాని మమ గగరి నీస నిని సద నిని మమ నిని మాని మాని మమ గగరి రిస నీద మగరి గ మమ మనిద మగరి సరి గగ గమ గారి సరి ధని సరి గ సరి ద సరి గమ ద స సని దని మగ మగ సపమర జనపని శూలిని పమర జనపని శూలిని పాప విమోచని కామని పమర జనపని శూలిని పాప విమోచని పావని జనరంజని జనరంజని పప్ప మరియు గమ మరి గమ నీ సదప సదప తప మరి గమ పప్ప మరి గమ మరి గమ నీ సదప సదప తప మరి గమ నీ ని సద ని మమ ని మాని మాని మమ గగరి రి ని సద ని మమ ని మాని మాని మమ గగరి రి సని ద మగరి గ మమ మని ద మగరి సరి గగ గమ గరి సని ధరి సని ద మగరి గ మమ మని ద మగరి సరి గగ గమ గరి సని ధరి సరి గ సని ద సరి గ మర సని ద ని ద మగ మగ సని ద ని ద మగ మగ సని ద ని ద మగ మగ సరంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని రంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని రంజని రంజని రంజని
for presenting us the graceful performance showcasing the elegance and expressive beauty of Devi. Next is Natesha Kautvam, a powerful and expressive composition dedicated to Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. It describes his divine dance that fills the universe with rhythm and energy as his flowing locks, anklets, and drum beats create the pulse of creation itself. The composition praises his radiant form, graceful movements, and commanding presence, depicting him as the source of all cosmic balance, where destruction leads to renewal and the motion becomes divine harmony. Presenting Natesha Kautvam in Ragam Hamsatwani and Talam Adi, choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari, performed on stage by Sahasra Kota and Sahasra Rajkonda.
ధిమిత తక తరికుడు తిరికుడు తదిమిత రీత రీత కిణనక తదీం తదీం దీం
ధీం ధీం తక్క ధిమి ధిమిత ధిమిత తక్క తరికుడు తరికుడు తదిమిత రిత రిత కిణనక తదీం తదీం దీం తాం
ధీం ధీం తక ధిమి ధిమిత ధిమిత తక తరికుడు తరికుడు తదిమిత రీత రీత కిణనక తదీం తదీం దీం
వన ముని జన సకల సురాసుర సన్నుత పాద కింకిణి ఝం ఝం జణ 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 నూపుర లయ గతి గణ 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 విధి హరి సేవిత ఒప్పుడు దిప్పుడు తక తరికిట తక తాం
తటవనము నిజన సకల సురాసుర సంయుత పాద కింకిణి ఝం ఝం జన 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 నూపురలయ గతి గణ 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 విధి హరి సేవిత తప్పుడు దిప్పుడు దగతరికిడ దగతాం తత్త
కిట కిట తక దిరి కిట కిట తక తాండవి దంబర దిక్కిట కిట తక దిరి కిట కిట తక వ్యాఘ్ర చర్మధర త్వం కిట కిట తక తన కిట కిట తక త్రిశూలధర నం కిట కిట తక నక కరి కిట తక నంది వాహన
తక్కిడ గిడ తగ తది కిడ గిడ తగ తాండవి దంబర దిక్కిట కిడ తగ ధిమి కిట కిడ తగ వ్యాఘ్ర చర్మధర తుంకిట కిడ తగ తొడ కిడ కిడ తగ త్రిశూలధర నంకిట కిడ తగ తన కిడ కిడ తగ నంది వాహన
నాథయో ప్రియ ఝకణం కిట తక ఝకణం కిట తక ఝక తక 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 తై జయ 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 శశి రవి భూషణ రూప భయంకర దామరుగ హస్త తృతీయ సహస్ర దీక్షిత నాద నటే చకౌత్వం
నాదయోగ ప్రియ జగనం కిడ తగ జగనం కిడ తగ తుక తగ తత్తాం జయ 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 శశి విభూషిత రూప భయంకర ధమరుగ హస్త తృతీయ సహస్ర దీక్షిత నాథ నటేశ కౌతుకం తగ తగ తాం దిగి దిగి తై తక్కుది కుత కిట తుంకిడ కిట తగిడం కిడ తగ తాం
performance reflecting the energy, rhythm and majestic performance of Lord Nataraja. Next performance is Ramachandraya Janaka, a beautiful composition glorifying Lord Rama. This bhajan describes Lord Rama's divine form, his righteousness, his role as the savior of his devotees. It brings on life the devotion and grandeur of Lord Rama, offering a heartfelt tribute to his divine presence. Composed by Bhakta Ramadasa, this kirtan is set to Ragam, Kurinji and Aditalam and was originally choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari for Sri Ramanavami event at Nashville Sri Sai Baba Temple. It is performed today by Katyayani Parvella and Ramya Suryadevara.
रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् भूसलेशाय मन्दहासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वराय मङ्गलम् चारु कुङ्कुमोपेत चन्दनानि चर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरि मङ्गलम् कोसलेशाय मन्दहासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वराय मङ्गलम् चारुकुङ्कुमोपेत चन्दनानि चर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरि मङ्गलम् ललितरत्नकुण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलजसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय भावज गुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् ललितरत्नकुण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलजसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय भावज गुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् पुण्डरीकाक्षाय पूर्णचन्द्रवदनाय अण्डजवाहनाय अतुलमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमुखचित्तकामिताय शुभदमङ्गलम् पुण्डरीकाक्षाय पूर्णचन्द्रवदनाय अण्डजवाहनाय अतुलमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमुखचित्तकामिताय शुभदमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुल हृदय तामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुल हृदय तामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्
And Ramya for a graceful and expressive performance beautifully capturing the charm of Lord Rama. We conclude today's recital with the Mangalam, offering our sincere gratitude and reverence. With hearts full of appreciation, we thank the performance for the dedication and skill and the audience for the support and encouragement, and the gods for the inspiration and guidance throughout the artistic journey. Arna Undavalli. She's a second grade student at Rutland Elementary School. Please keep clapping. We have 30 plus students. Next, Anisha Komati Reddy. She's a third grade student at Creekside Elementary School. Next, Ayati Katukuri is a third grade student at Rutland Elementary School. Diya Vajpayee is a first grade student at Longview Elementary School. Diya Satish is a third grade student at Creekside Elementary School. Jishita Vikram is a third grade student at Longview Elementary School. Kritika Tatavarti is a second grade student at Trinity Elementary School. Mahi Tejas Kembavi is a second grade student at Moore Elementary School. Mitra Murugan is a third grade student at Trinity Elementary School. Nandini Bul Chandani is a second grade student at Heritage Elementary School. Reva Prashant Sanbag is a fifth grade student at Kenrose Elementary School. Sahana Santosh is a second grade student at Popular Hill Elementary School. Sahasra Kota is a fourth grade student at Trinity Elementary School. Sahasra Rajakonda is a sixth grade student at Page Middle School. Sai Soumya Shivaraman is a third grade student at College Grove Elementary School. Sarvika Vikram is a sixth grade student at Spring Station Middle School. Srija Shah is a second grade student at Kenrose Elementary School. Shreya Sai Rao is a first grade student at Creekside Elementary School. Sindhuja Janardhanan is a seventh grade student at Freedom Middle School. Sri Lakshita Nimmagadda Lakshita is of which grade? Sorry, I don't have the detail. Third grade. Third grade from which school? Rutland. Third grade from Rutland Elementary School. Tavasya Lingareddy is a fourth grade student at Bethesda Elementary School. Tikshika Vemuri, first grade, Longview Elementary School. Tendril Setupati, the second grade student at Stewart's Creek Elementary. Aarti Srinivasan, she is a homemaker and an entrepreneur. Archana Jillala, she is a senior quality analyst, Evotech. Katyayani Parvella, she is a data scientist at Cigna. Ramya Suryadevara, doctor interventional cardiologist at St. Thomas. Sai Sayati Chittam, software developer at HealthStream. Saundarya Jagdish, senior quality engineer at Aristocrat. Srivani Ansingaraju, quality analyst lead at Farm Bureau.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. What a wonderful evening this has been. I'm filled with immense joy and gratitude as we conclude our 5th annual recital, a true milestone in Mudra's journey. 5 years of dancing, learning, and growing together. It's been such a special journey. Today's performances were not just a showcase of talent, but a celebration of our shared love for dance and the spirit that unites the Mudra family. First and foremost, I offer my humble pranams to the God Almighty for blessing us with the strength and devotion to continue learning and spreading the beauty of Bharatanatyam. This past year has been an eventful and fulfilling one for our school. I would just like to share a few highlights with you. We were invited to perform at the Sri Sai Baba temple for the Ramanavami celebration, a blessed occasion that filled our hearts with devotion and joy. I had the privilege of presenting a Mohiniyattam piece at the Natya Drishti fundraising event organized by the Global Education Center Nashville upon the kind invitation of Srimati Monica Cooley. We were honored guests at the Spanda dance event by Srimati Leela Sampson and team, hosted by the Isha Center in McMinnville, a proud moment of recognition from an esteemed institution. The Mudra Performance Ensemble was thrilled to be invited to perform at the Muhlenberg International Festival in Kentucky, an exciting opportunity to share Bharatanatyam with a diverse international audience. Another exciting milestone this year has been the launch of our new classes in Mount Juliet, a wonderful sign that Mudra is growing and expanding, becoming bigger and stronger as a dance family. And one of the biggest highlights of the year was being instrumental in bringing Srimati Viraja and Shri Shamsud Kiran, renowned Kalakshetra alumni, to Nashville for an incredible performance right here at this very stage and a workshop for our students at Art Studio, an experience that greatly inspired our students and the broader dance community in Nashville. These wonderful recognitions and opportunities are a reflection of the dedication, talent, and teamwork within our Mudra family, the commitment of our students, and the unwavering support of their families. Each achievement, each invitation, and each appreciation we receive belongs to all of you. And so I would like to extend my gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. To my wonderful students, today is a celebration of your journey and your growth. Every expression, every movement tonight reflected your dedication and hard work. I'm deeply proud of how far you have come and truly honored to be your teacher, witnessing your growth as dancers and as individuals. Wonderful job tonight, team. Please, a round of applause for the dancers, please. To all the parents, spouses, and loved ones, today is a I'm sorry. Thank you for being the strong foundation behind our dancers' success. Your constant encouragement, sacrifices, and belief in what we do keeps us going. Thank you so much for all your support. A special note of gratitude to Miss Navya, Adya's mom. Before that, Adya very conveniently broke her hand today. Where is Adya? Yeah, no, just kidding. She was fully prepared to be performing with us today, but then she had an incident. But then she's here supporting and encouraging her friends. Thank you, Adya, for being here, and I hope you get well soon. And at the same time, I would like to call out Sahasra Rajakonda and Sahasra Kota. Adya was supposed to dance with them, but then she had to back out at the last moment. But they did all the planning without me. They decided their new positions, they decided their new post. Before I could even think about it, they were ready with everything. I am so proud of you. I was amazed and extremely proud. Great job today, guys, both of you. Can you lift your hands? Who are you? Yeah. Okay, so as I was saying, special note of gratitude to Miss Navya for graciously comparing our program tonight and for creating that beautiful video invitation that you might all have seen. That is the first time for us, that captured the spirit of our recital so perfectly. Thank you, Navya, for always going above and beyond to make Mudra look its best. Thank you. I'd like to give a big shout out to Miss Shravani. Where is she? Shravani, Lakshi's mom. Where is Lakshi? Lakshi's mom, who played such a key role in bringing Mudra to Mount Juliet. She took the initiative, she found the students, she even helped us secure a studio space. Her efforts truly made that expansion possible. Thank you to her. Our Mount Juliet classes are doing so well that we have already started a second batch. So thank you, Shravani, for all your support. A big thank you to everyone who worked behind the scenes today. From stage setup to decor to music, refreshments and logistics, your efforts and teamwork made this evening smooth and memorable. Thank you very much. I still have a lot to say. A heartfelt thank you to Praveen and Vijay from Prav's Imaginations, who have been our trusted photography and videography partners for the past few years. Your creativity captures each moment beautifully, and we are truly grateful for your continued support. Thank you so much. Before I conclude, I will take a moment to step off the stage of Mudra for just a bit and speak from my heart. Behind every rehearsal, every performance, and every moment of this journey, there is a strong, loving support system at home for me that makes it all possible. I'm deeply grateful to my husband Suki. I don't know where he is. And our son Bihan, he's still at the audio, I think, for their unwavering love, patience, and encouragement. Their constant support has been my greatest strength, allowing me to dedicate myself fully to Mudra and to all of you. So thank you very much. And finally, to our wonderful audience, your presence, applause, and encouragement mean the world to us. You inspire us to continue dancing and sharing this art with even more passion and joy each year. Thank you so much once again, everybody, for joining us in celebrating this milestone, our 5th annual recital. May this evening stay in your hearts as fondly as it will stay in ours. We look forward to seeing you again next year. Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, before we wind up the evening, we just wanted to take a moment to thank our teacher. So, Harsha, Hari, you've taught us so much more than just dance. You've taught us patience, discipline, and how to express from the heart. Thank you for always believing in us, connecting us with, and inspiring us to give our very best every time we dance. We feel so lucky to have you as our guru, and so we just wanted to give you a little bit of thanks.
स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्